Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our science class for today, which is about a review for Unit 3 materials around us. We'll be reviewing about the different types of materials, properties of materials, what are their description, characteristics, and what things can we make out of these materials. Let us start with our warm-up questions. For number 1, what things do you see around you at this moment? Now, what things do you see around you? Anything that you see around you. What things do you see?
Um, Chair.
Chair?
Chair.
Yes.
Computer.
Computer? Yes.
Toy.
Toys?
TV. Lighter.
Yes. Things inside the house because you're probably inside your houses right now. Next, number 2, do you have furniture at home?
Yes.
What kind of furniture do you have?
Sofa. Bed.
Yes.
Bed. Tables and chair.
Yes. Next, what is your bed made of? Your bed is made of what materials?
Wood.
Wood and
And cloth.
some cloth,
Plastic
yes.
cloth.
And maybe metal inside,
Metal
right?
inside. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now for our vocabulary words, let us read natural.
Natural.
Natural. Turn on your microphone so you can read with me. Natural.
Natural.
Natural in Thai is?
Natural.
Yes. Next we have man-made. Man-made.
Man-made.
Man-made means?
ที่มนุษย์สร้างขึ้น
Alright. And the last one is properties.
Properties.
In Thai is?
คุณสมบัติ
Okay, now please turn off your microphone. Turn off your microphone, everyone. Today we will be discussing about the types of material and also the different properties of material. But before that, let us discuss the types of material. There are different materials around us. When you say material, it means a physical thing. When you say properties, it means a quality or detail. Okay. Now, again, when you say material, a physical thing, it means something that you can touch, something that you can use in making something, in making another thing. For example, you can gather some rocks to build a house. You can gather some wood to build a chair. Those are the materials. When you say properties, it is a quality or detail. How does it look like? How does it feel when you touch it? Is it heavy? Is it light? Is it strong? Alright. Now, there are two basic types of materials. The first one is natural material. What do we mean by natural?
ธรรมชาติ
Yes. When you say natural, these are the things that are from nature. Okay. This one says natural. When you read this, natural. But if it's letter E here in the end, you will say nature. Okay. When we say nature, those are the places that were made by God. People did not make them. They were already there from the start. Like for example, the mountains, the sea, ocean, right? Forest, jungle. That is a nature. Okay? Now when you say natural material, these are the things that you can get from nature. From the mountain, under the sea, in the jungle, in the forest. Next we have man-made materials. Man-made materials are things that do not exist in nature. It means they are not from the mountains, they are not from the sea. People had to gather, collect. When you say gather, you collect, you get natural materials, and then you do something on them, you make them, you turn them into something else. That is a man-made material. But usually, man-made materials also used natural materials in making them. For example, glass. Do you know what's a glass?
Yes.
What is a glass?
Is scale.
For example,
Yeah.
the glass. Okay, glass, that the one that you use for drinking. Okay, it's made of glass, and glass came from which material? What material was used in making glass?
Man-made.
What kind of material it is?
Plastic.
Let's say it's a glass, okay? It's a glass that can be broken. Glass
Oh,
came
glass is
from
glass.
sand.
Sand.
Do you know sand? Sand soil.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now it means people had to use sand. They gather the natural materials, the sand, and then do something, prepare it, and then process it to become glass. Okay. Now, please turn off your microphone. Examples of natural materials are, the first one is rocks. Where do you usually see rocks?
Build the house.
Yes, but which place do you see rocks? Where do you see rocks?
In the forest.
Yes, where else? Actually,
in
you
the
can
house?
find rocks everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Everywhere. Even outside your house, there are rocks. Okay, now, what kind of things are made of rocks?
House.
What kind of things can you make out of rocks? Using rocks.
House. Make house.
Yes,
New
you can
house?
build houses like walls. What else?
Wall.
You can make walls, yes.
Wall.
What else can you make out of rocks?
Table. Table.
Yes, from stones, yes. Now, the next one, another example of natural material is gold. Okay? Now, where can we get gold?
In the water.
Yes, some people collect gold from the sea, the rivers, right? Usually rivers. And also, they can get gold from the mountains.
The mountain.
Not on top of the mountain, okay? They dig holes
What?
under the mountain, below the mountain. They make holes, they dig. Do you know mining?
What is mining?
Mining, people who dig the mountain.
I know.
Right?
คืออะไรอ่ะช่วยบอกหน่อย
What is a mining?
มันขุดเหมืองอะไรทุกอย่างที่เดียวทางทาง
They get gold inside the mountains. And also diamonds, they get diamonds, other gems. Right? Okay. Next is seashells. Where do you usually find seashells?
In the sea.
Yes,
sea.
by the shore, seashore. Sea. Because seashells are the empty shells of a sea animal, from a sea animal, before there were animals here inside. This is their shell, just like a turtle, right? When the animal dies, the shell will be left in the sand, and then people collect them in making things. For example, what can you make out of seashells? Using seashells. What can you make using seashells? And
What teacher?
you can make
know.
necklaces for your neck, the jewelry, right?
Oh, neck.
Also, wind chimes. Do you know wind chimes?
No, what is
that?
wind chime?
Wind chime, the one that is hanging on the door or the window with shells. And then when the wind blows, you will hear the sound.
So beautiful.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, next. How about, let us talk about man-made materials. Man-made materials are the things that were made by people. Okay? For example, plastic. Plastic is made of what?
Plastic is made of chemical.
Yeah, chemicals. Another one is glass. Glass is made of sand. And also steel. Steel is made of usually stones like from stones, special stone. Yes, special stone, special kind of metal. And then they mix them together, they process them so that they will be long steel. Okay, before we discuss the properties of materials, I want to share you this one. Do you see it? Okay. Now you are just going to tell me what object it is and also what kind of material was used in making these things. The first one is, what do you call this?
Bottom.
Plastic bottles. Plastic bottles are made of
Plastic. Chemical.
Yes. Next, what are these?
I don't know in English.
Rawinipa, can you turn off your mic? Yes, okay.
I don't know in English.
It's called a hose, okay? Hose, a garden hose. Hose, H-O-S-E, hose. It's used for watering the plants, right?
Watering the plant,
yes. What material was used in
Rubber.
making the garden hose?
Rubber and plastic and
Yes.
metal.
Yes, some are made of rubber or plastic or with metal. Next, what are these?
อะไรอ่ะ
Bowl, yes. Bowl
Plastic,
for
bowl,
kids.
plastic.
Plastic bowl, yes. What was used in making plastic bowls?
Plastic and
Plastic,
chemical.
yes. Next, this one. This, the
Plastic.
container, this.
Made of sand.
It is a jar, okay? It's called a
Jar
jar.
is made of sand.
Yes,
Made
of
of
glass.
sand.
Actually, glass first. And then, yes,
Glass.
glass. You will say glass. But glass
Glass,
is
okay.
from sand, yes. Next, we have a
Chair.
chair. And this chair is made of
Made of wood.
wood. Next, we have, what do you call this?
Rubber.
It's called the wheel, or some people call it tires. Okay?
Tire.
Wheel or tires. Now,
Wheel or
tires are made of
Rubber.
rubber. Okay,
Rubber.
now let's do it fast. You will say the name of the material and then name of the thing and then the material. What is it? It's a chair made of wood. Okay.
Jar made of glass and sand.
Glass, yes. Tires
Tire
made
of rubber.
bottles made of
chemical and plastic.
Yes. bowls
Made
made of
plastic and chemical.
hose.
Made of plastic and metal.
Okay. Now, don't worry. Later we have more and more and more games. Okay. Now, can you hear the rain, the thunder?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay. Now, let us talk about the different properties of materials. Please turn off your microphone. Turn off. Turn off. Turn off your mic. Okay. Now, let's talk about the different properties of materials. The first one is about paper. Paper is made from trees. There, from trees we can make papers. Now, how do people make papers?
I don't know.
They usually get some
Some
parts of the
Part
tree,
of tree.
and then they put some water, some chemicals to form paper.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Now, when you recycle paper, when you say recycle, you get old papers. You can turn them into new papers again. If
Yes.
you will just put water and some more chemicals or glue, like that. Okay. Now, paper is thin, light, and easy to tear. When you say thin, what do you mean by thin?
บาง
What is thin?
บาง
Yes,
Hard.
not heavy. Next, what is light?
Light is เบา
Yes, it means not
Box.
heavy. Oh, wait. Thin means not thick. This is thick, this is thin. Okay? When you say light, it means not heavy. And then when you say easy to tear, what do we mean by easy to tear?
ฉีกขาดง่าย
Tanaporn, are you listening? You're playing. What is it easy to tear?
ฉีกขาดง่าย
Yes, very easy for you to cut, very easy for you to destroy. Next, what are the different things made of paper?
notebook paper
Example, notebook, envelope, box. Boxes are made of paper with many layers of paper. More and more paper. Next is a paper cup. This one is the cup for coffee. It's made of paper. Okay, because there are also plastic cups. Next is tissue paper. How about at home? What are some of the examples of
sticker
things made of paper in your home?
sticker
Sticker?
sticker
What else?
book
Book? What else? Card. They know cards.
card
Card.
น้องไอติม
Folders.
น้องไอติมที่มันเป็นชาจากกระดาษ
Oh, yes. The cover. The pack. Okay,
ไอ
next.
ติมมัน
How about cloth? What can you say about cloth?
is a made of both natural and man-made materials.
Usually they combine natural materials and man-made materials. Okay. Now there are different types of cloth. One is cotton and another is polyester. But aside from cotton and polyester, there are more kinds of cloth. But we are going to talk about two, cotton and polyester.
Okay.
When we say cotton, what can you say about cotton? Is it natural or man-made?
Man-made.
Cotton cloth is made
Man-made.
from something natural.
Natural.
Because it came from the cotton tree. This one is like a flower. Okay? From the cotton tree. This is like a flower. Okay? Now they use it in making cotton cloth. Cotton can absorb water easily. When you say absorb, it can take the water inside. It gets the water. Okay? That's why cotton is used in making clothes. Because when we perspire, when it is very hot, your body becomes wet. But then the cotton cloth can absorb, can get the perspiration, so you will be dry. Okay. Next, how about polyester? Polyester is a man-made cloth. Okay, it's not made of cotton. It's not from trees. People only made them. Yes. Polyester is water resistant. What do we mean by water resistant?
ไม่เสียน้
It does not absorb water. It does not get water. It
ำ
repels
ซึมซับ
water.
น้
That's
ำแล้ว
why
ก็ไม่เปียก
we do not use polyester for our clothes. We only use it for making bags, shoes, what else? Hats. Hats. Yes, and also raincoat.
Hat.
So that you will not get wet from the rain or jacket.
อือฮึ
Okay. Next, let's have wood. What can you say about wood?
wood is very hard
Hard. Very
and
strong.
not soft
Yes. It's
Not
from trees.
sweet.
And also it's very versatile. Okay? People say versatile or versatile. They are both correct. Let's just say versatile. Versatile
Okay.
means can do many things. It means
ทำได้ทุกอย่าง
using wood, you can make many things. For example, you can
Chair,
make a chair, you can
shelf,
make a shelf,
shelf,
a table,
table,
even
a
a
stick,
pencil. Yes, stick.
stick.
It means you can do many things out of it. When you say durable
Durable.
means tough. When you say tough, strong. It can last for a long time. You cannot easily break it with your hands. You can use it for 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Yes,
gosh.
that's why, for example, your bed, you don't use it for one day and then throw it tomorrow and buy another one. Because wood is very strong. You can use it for many years. Okay. Now, what are the different examples of things made of wood? One is furniture.
Furniture.
Like this, like your table, shelves,
Table, shelf,
bed,
bed.
chair. Yes. And also tools. Tools are used to make something easier to do when you want to build something, when you want to make it fast. Okay, you use tools.
Okay.
Now let's talk about metal. Metal is a shiny material that electricity can pass through easily. When you say can pass through easily, when you put the metal into the socket, into the plug, the electricity will pass through the metal and go to your body. Yes. Some metals like gold and silver can be used for jewelry. When you say jewelry, necklace, ring, bracelet. Okay. Because gold and silver are metals. They are natural metals. And then people turn them into jewelry. Alright. Now, people also mix different kinds of metals. Okay. Mix them together. For example, you have brass. Brass is a type of metal. And you have zinc. Zinc is another metal. Brass, metal, zinc, metal. People mix them together to make the door. Okay? So, the door is now an alloy. Because alloy is a mix of two or more types of metal. When you mix two kinds of metals, because there are many kinds of metals. Okay? For example, you have three metals, you mix them together, you can form the nuts, the screws. Okay? Now, the last one is plastic. Okay? This is just a review. You know them already, okay? We've just discussed them already. Plastic is a man-made material that comes from chemicals. What do we mean by chemicals?
Chemicals. It's a chemicals.
Dangerous things or poison.
Yes. Yes. I think and I can it.
Yes.
You drink? Oh my god.
Okay. Now, plastic is very cheap and durable. When you say cheap, not expensive. You can buy a plastic bag for 1 baht only. When you go to 7, you pay 1 baht, you can get a plastic bag already, right? And also, it is durable because you can use it again and again. For example, you have a plastic bottle. You can recycle it and turn into something else. Okay? But plastic is very bad for the environment. It can cause pollution. When you say pollution, the environment becomes dirty, right? Because yes, plastic stays in the sea, in the soil for a very long time, 100 years, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, yes, so many years. Now, let's have another game. Wait, but before that, I will be showing you a video first.
Okay, thank you. I want to see the game.
Yes, we have 2 games. But before that, let's watch this video. Do you see it? Can you see it?
I can
Yes. Materials. What are materials? Materials are the matter that objects are made from. Take this skateboard for example. The board is made out of wood, the wheels out of rubber, and the screws and truck connecting the wheels are made from metal. Those are the skateboard's materials. Let's have a look at different types of materials. Wood is made from trees. It is hard and therefore useful for making things that need to be rigid, such as tables, cupboards, chopping boards, pencils. Even houses can be made from wood. Can you think of anything else that could be made out of wood?
Can you think of something made of wood aside from these examples?
Yes.
Say something made of wood. What's made of wood?
Pencil.
Your colored pencils.
No.
What else? Chair.
Chair.
Okay. Next.
Whiteboard. Dartboard.
Metal is made from rocks. Metal is silver and shiny. It is very strong but can be molded when heated, so is good for being made into keys and tools. Other things that can be made out of metal are knives and rubbish bins. Can you think of anything else that is metal?
Something that's made of metal. Example.
Something all made of metal.
What do you think? What's that sound?
Is this here? Yeah.
Yes. What's that sound? Tanadun, no? Okay.
Yes.
Next.
Glass is made from very fine sand. It is transparent, which means see-through, so is useful for things you want to be able to see inside of or see through, such as windows, magnifying glasses, mirrors, sunglasses, light bulbs, and drinking glasses. What else could be glass?
Examples of things made of glass.
Glasses.
Example of glass. Your door, some doors are made of glass.
Door.
Right?
Door and
the light bulb.
the light.
Many things. Next.
Rubber can be made from a number of different things. Natural rubber comes from plants. Rubber is durable, stretchy, and waterproof, so it is good for things such as erasers, boots, balloons, tires, and floaties. Can you name any more rubber items?
Examples of things made of rubber.
What is thing made?
For example, your shoes.
Shoes.
What else? Some pencil case. What else? There are many things now. Next.
Fabric is made from a
When you say fabric, that is the same as cloth. People call them fabric or cloth, okay? They are the same.
range of different things. The four main sources are animals, such as wool from sheep and silk from worms, plants, such as cotton, bamboo, minerals, like asbestos and glass fibre, and synthetic fabric, such as nylon and polyester. Fabric is breathable and absorbent, so it's perfect for clothing, like shirts, trousers, and hats. Furniture can also be made from fabric, like sofas, armchairs, and curtains. Can you think of anything else made from fabric?
Can you think of something else made of cloth? For example, your what?
Shoes.
Yes.
Shoes.
Bags. Some bags.
Bag.
Beds.
Bed.
Socks. Right?
Pencil case.
Okay.
A bowl.
Now let's have our game for today. We have two actually. We have two. First, let's answer this one. Do you see it?
Yes.
We have 10 questions here. These are the choices here at the bottom. Number 1, it is made from trees. Is it cloth, paper, metal? Paper. It is made from both natural and man-made materials.
Both natural and man-made material. Cloth.
It can be used to make things like tools and furniture.
Wood.
Yes. A shiny material that electricity and heat can pass through easily.
Metal.
Next. It is a man-made material that comes from chemicals. Plastic. A mix of two or more types of metal.
Alloy.
can absorb water easily?
Cotton. Cotton.
Yeah,
Cotton.
cotton. Tough, able to last a long time. What word means strong? Tough. Versatile,
Durable.
durable,
Durable.
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 Yes. Types of materials that can give us lots of pollution.
Plastic.
Plastic, it can make the environment dirty. Next, the last one is, what do we add to make a paper? People put some water and chemicals. So
Water
let's
and
just,
chemical.
yes, chemicals actually.
Okay.
Okay, I will send you the link.
Yay.
And
Okay.
no, it's okay if it's not, if
Okay.
you won't. But after this, we have another game before our live worksheet. We also have a live worksheet today. Leaderboard. So many people who play this. Did you see the link? Are you finished?
No. I can start to. Finish.
Finish, everyone?
No.
Faster because we have
No,
other
no,
games.
no, no, no.
Finished.
Finish. Now. Yes, I am finished.
Okay, finish, right? Let's
Yes.
have another game.
Okay.
Okay. Now, this game is still about the different materials around us.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yes, I can see. Yeah.
Okay, you have 3 things to put here under paper. 3 things made of paper. 3 for cloth, for wood, metal, and plastic. Let's get one. This bean. This bean is made of what? Paper, cloth, wood, metal, plastic.
Plastic.
Book.
Book is made of paper.
Paper. Key.
Key is made of metal.
Metal. It's Rawinipa, right? Next,
Cup.
plastic cup.
Plastic cup is made of plastic.
Teacher said plastic. Next, towel.
Towel is made of cloth.
Cloth. Pencil.
Wood.
Wood. Chair.
Wood.
Chair made
of wood.
Spoon.
Spoon metal.
Metal. Water bottle.
Water bottle is plastic.
Ring.
Metal.
Metal. Socks.
Cloth.
T-shirt.
Cloth.
Box.
Box paper.
Tissue.
Paper.
Table.
Table wood.
Okay, and then click submit answers. If you do it quickly, you can maybe go to the leaderboard. I'll send you the link. There's the link. You can do it now. There's the link. Tell me when you're finished.
Finished.
Finished?
Yes.
Okay. Finish, everyone?
Yes, I finished.
Okay, now let us go to our live worksheet. For the live worksheet, write your name, grade, and number. For number 1, to take inside and hold. When it gets water, what word is that? Absorb, versatile, or durable? When it gets water.
Absorb.
Absorb. Not able to absorb water easily. Cannot absorb water.
Durable.
Durable, versatile, or water resistant?
Water
Water resistant. Tough, able to last a long time. It means strong.
Durable.
Durable. A type of man-made cloth that is water resistant.
Cutter.
The one that doesn't absorb water. Polyester.
Polyester.
Next, something that does not exist in nature. It's not in nature. Man-made materials, natural materials, or seashell.
Natural material.
Not from nature.
Not from nature.
Man-made. Yes. Next, you just have to drag and drop the words. Blank is a natural type of cloth that can absorb water easily. What cloth can get?
Polyester.
Can absorb, can get water.
Cotton.
Cotton. Are used to make something easier to do. When you want to build something, to make something, you use
Tool.
tools. It is made from trees, and they are thin, light, and easy to tear.
Paper.
Paper. It is a man-made material that comes from chemicals.
Plastic.
Plastic. It comes from trees and is very durable.
Wood.
Wood. It is a shiny material that electricity and heat can pass through easily. Shiny material.
Metal.
Metal. It is a man-made type of cloth that is very water resistant.
Polyester.
Click finish, check my answers, take a
Yeah.
picture. Okay, don't forget to take a picture of your live worksheet. There's the link.